Hello, this is Ron from Ron's RC and Drone channel. Today I have a brand new drone that was sent to me by a seller on Amazon. It's the Potensic drone. It's a little FPV flyer with a camera. It's many full featured. It comes in a very nice box here. It comes in several different colors. Of course, I got the red one. I'll read you some of the specs off the side of the box. It has photo recording, video recording, altitude hold mode, one button takeoff and landing, real-time FPV. In fact, you can use it, it shows the box, you can use it with a pair of the VR goggles. It has a custom flight route so you can kind of draw waypoints with your fingers. It has an out of range alarm, which is good. It has Wi-Fi control. It has heading hold mode, which I guess is kind of altitude, no, it's not altitude hold mode, what do you call that? Headless mode kind of. And it has a low battery alarm, so it's very full featured. And again, it says here it'll split the screen for VR goggles. And you know, it has a, talks about aerial photography here. It has either a Android app on the Google Play Store or an iPhone app on the App Store. You can download it, which I will do shortly. This model is the AW30. I imagine the W is for Wi-Fi. So back to the drone here. It has kind of the inducted fan look like the tiny whoops do, but it's like a little bit bigger than a tiny whoop. It has a camera in the front here, and the camera is adjustable. You can tilt it almost all the way down and all the way up a little bit too. So it has a nice tiltable camera. It you know, has the battery bay in the back here. It has a little hole in the bottom here, but it doesn't have a what do you call one of those little sensors to keep it still. Excuse me, still trying to get over a cold. The drone's, you know, pretty lightweight without the battery. Speaking of the battery, it has a little proprietary battery here, a little clip here. It's a, let me see if we can get specs here for you battery people. It's a 3.7 volt, 500 amp, 1.85 watt rechargeable LiPo battery, made in China. And you just would insert it in the back here. And it, you know, goes in real nice, kind of clamps in there. So take it back out again. Comes with a little USB charging cable. No USB connector. You're going to have to use yours from your, you know, your iPhone or your Android phone, or plug it into a computer. So that takes care of all the charging. It comes with a little remote and even gives a little instruction thing there. It tells you what all the buttons do, like the shutter, the record button, the heading hold button, one key takeoff button, what the sticks do. It's you know, a mode 2 flyer. So it's a nice little remote. It has some good little sticks on it here, a power button in the middle. Again, there's your photo and your video button up top, and your one key takeoff, and your heading hold, as they call it. It has a bay on the back. You put your AA batteries in. It looks like you need 6 of them back there. Take that back. You need 4 AA batteries, yeah. So, and it comes with a little clip here for your phone. So I haven't tried it yet. Guess you're putting it in the back here. Bear with me here. Again, I haven't looked at that. I think I put it on backwards. There you go. So you put on, you kind of clip your phone in there for when you're doing your FPV racing. So very nice. The controllers, you know, nice and lightweight. You get your little usual bag of goodies here. This was in there too when I first opened up. You get your little screwdriver. You get an extra screw for some reason, and a set of 4, you know, 4 tiny replacement props. A full set of 4 notches too. you even get this little, I mean, you get a little guide, but first you get like a little sheet here almost that gives you the instructions on how to calibrate the gyros, how to use the left stick and right stick to take it off. So you get your basics right here in this little yellow strip here, and then you get a, it's small, but it looks like a fully featured instruction book on how to do everything. I'm sure it's going to be in several different languages here, but it's a better quality book than you see on most of this stuff. So that's it for the unboxing. Not a whole lot here. It's a 2.4 gigahertz remote controller and smartphone control too. I believe you can fly it with just the phone and not the controller if you want to, but most people would rather prefer to fly with the controller. I'm a controller man, not a phone flyer man. But we're going to get the batteries charged up on this little Potensic, and we're going to give it, put it through its paces on a nice indoor flight here, learn all its features, and we'll come back with a full video on, on how it makes out in the test flight part of the video. So I don't know if we're going to release this as a standalone unboxing or we're going to just combine this with the flight test, but you're going to find out soon. So again, this is the AW30. You can get it on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the completed video where you can go ahead and get this. So I'll see you in the next part of the video.